Welcome to Al Isla National Academy, the best foundation for great future.
Masood Hassan. Masood Hassan, unmute yourself. Masood Hassan, unmute yourself. Okay. All of you, once you read whatever you can see on your screen. All of you, whatever you can see on your screen, just you read once. Shanawaz Hussain Laskar, unmute yourself. Shanawaz Hussain Laskar. Shanawaz Hussain Laskar, unmute yourself. Shanawaz Hussain, are you listening my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's read once what you can see on your screen.
In
From
India, people in Roman numerals. In
Yeah.
India, people is different language and so use different regional numbers for writing numbers. But Roman used other symbols for writing numbers. They use only 7 basic symbols listed below.
Okay, so in last class, what we have discussed when our school was open? Tell me once.
We have discussed Roman numerals.
Roman numerals. So
Yes.
what things I have discussed? Have you seen the video? Videos have you seen?
No, sir.
In YouTube video you have not seen.
No, sir.
Very good. Okay, so today again I'll discuss. So you can see on your screen that 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, 1000. So these are all, we know that all we are using these numbers for doing addition, subtraction, these all things. So another numerals is there, that is you can see on your screen. We'll define that particular digits with the help of these letters. So first one you can see on your screen, we can denote that one with I. Okay, let me show you. Wait. So first you can see on your screen, first one is our, that means one will denote with the help of I. Next number you can see, next digit you can see on your screen, that is V. So that 5 we can denote with that V. In third digit you can see 10. So 10 we can denote with the help of that X. Okay. Next you can see on your screen, that is 50. 50 we can denote with the help of that L, means with the help of that L. If we write L, that means we are denoting 50 number. Next, if we write C, then that means we can denote 100. Next, you can see if we write D, that means we'll denote 500. At last one, you can see on your screen, last one is our M. M means 1000. Okay. So now let's move to next slide and let's see, here some rules are there for writing Roman numerals. So let's see the rules. So in next slide, you can see some rules are there. That is, first rule is what you can see on your screen. Repetition of I and X means addition. Means whenever we'll see that I and X is repeating, that means we'll understand that same number is repeating second time. Here you can see the example. Here I have denoted, here you can see on your screen, that is 2i is there. Okay, 2i is there. 2i means what? Means I is repeating 2 times, means 1 plus 1s. Earlier we have seen that, again let me show you. In previous slide we have seen I means 1, and here our rule says, first rule says that repetition of I and X means addition. That means if this I will repeat 2 times, that means what? That means is repeating means it's adding 2 times that one particular number. So here you can see on your screen 2i is there. That means one I value we know that 1, and another I value means value we know that again 1. That means 1 plus 1 is 2. In next example you can see x. That means 3x is there. After that I'll ask to everyone, 3x is there. That means our rule 1 says that if x will repeat, that means 3 times it will add. Okay, 3 times it will add. So let me select and show you. Here 3x is there. That means 1x means, earlier we have seen, let me show you. That means 1x means, here you can see 1x means 10. 1x means, let me show you, 1x means 10. So in next slide here you can see 3x. So 3x means what? 3x means 3 times x will be there, and it will add one after another. 1x means 110, second x means second 10, and third x means third 10. Okay, that means our rule 1 satisfied here. If I and x will repeat, that means again and again it will add. Got it? Next, here you can see down some notes are there that I and x can be repeated at the most 3 times. That means that x and I, it will not repeat more than 3 times. Anywhere you will not get, after that I'll show you. In any time you will not get that I have repeated 4 times or x repeated 4 times. Okay, so this one is our first notes. You can see on your screen. Next, you can see v is never repeated. That b will get later. And in first slide, we already got that v means 5. V will denote as 5. So here you can see v means 5. Okay, v means 5. And what our next slides say that v is never repeated. So whenever v will use, that times only one time we'll use that v. Okay, so now next we'll move to our next slide. So in next slide, we'll get the rule number 2. Okay. In rule 2, what is there? Once we'll read, if a smaller number is written to the right of a larger one is added to the larger. Means what? Again we'll read, if a smaller number is written to the right of a larger one is added to the larger. So if any smaller number, let me show you by selecting. If any smaller number, we know that I is smaller, that means I means what? I means 1. So if that smaller one will write right side of that greater number, so what it will do? Always it will add the larger number. So here you can see V, we know that V value is our 5 and 1 value is our, means I value is our 1, and after that both added, and our result, we know that 5 plus 1 is 6. Next we'll see the next example. You can see on your screen. So X value, we know that X value is 10. So here you can see X value is 10. Let me show you by marking. So here you can see X value is 10. Okay. And 5 value is, that means V value is 5. That means our X value is greater than V value. So here what our rule 2 says, that if a smaller number is written to the right of a larger number, that means here you can see that V is our smaller number, and that one have written right side of that X, X is our greater number, then what is added to the larger, always it will be added. So here you can see 10 plus 5, our value is 15. So that 5 is our smaller number and that 10 is our larger number. So if we'll write like this, then after that what we'll do? We'll add both the number. After adding, we'll get the answer, that is 15. 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay. So now all of you take out your copy and one pen. Copy, pen or pencil first. Copy, pen or pencil. Copy, pen or pencil. Take out first. Now I'll give you some homework. That means only 2 tasks I'll give you just now. You do, and after that you tell me. I'll unmute you. So on your screen you can see I'll write some letters. Okay. So one example I'm writing, that is X. Okay, wait. That is X, I. Now you tell me the answer. Who can tell me the answer? Just raise your hand. Raise your hand. Who can tell me? Okay, Mashood Hassan. Very good. Wait, let me unmute yourself. Okay, now I have unmuted. You tell me the answer. Unmute yourself first.
Sir,
Yes,
12.
tell me the answer.
Sir, 12.
12. How 12? You tell me.
The next one is 10.
Yes, X value is 10. Then what we'll do? We'll do addition. That means plus. Okay.
Yes, sir.
After
Yes,
giving
sir.
plus, what we'll do? That I value is what?
Sir, 1.
1. Very good. After that again what you will write? Plus.
Sir,
After that
plus.
again I value is
1.
1. So how much? 10 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to
12.
12. Very good. I think all of you have understood. Shahnawaz Hussain Laskar.
sir.
Have you understood, Shanawaz?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. If anyone have any confusion, you can ask me with the help of chat option. Okay. Okay, one more example we'll see, and I'll ask to Rehan Ahmed. Rehan Ahmed, are you there? Raise your hand, Rehan Ahmed. Okay, very good. Have you understood? Raise your hand if you have understood. Okay, very good. Let me show you one more example.
Yes, sir.
So one more example I am showing. Just you see, and after that you give me the answer. Correct? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So wait, let me show you. So X V. Okay, X I. Now tell me, Rehan, you tell me, Rehan Ahmed. Let me unmute yourself. Now unmute yourself.
12. 13,
Yes.
13,
Yes, answer is
13.
how? Tell me.
Sir, X is 10 and we know that the one is I. For this
Okay.
reason, there are 3 I
Okay.
and 1 X, 13.
Okay. Once you tell me, just now I'll write. So X value is 10.
10.
Correct. Then
1.
plus. Plus will not write or what?
Right, sir, right.
Okay. After writing plus, I value is what?
1
1. Very good. Then again what I'll write?
plus
Plus. Very good. Then again 1 value is what?
I.
I value is what?
1.
1. Again what I'll write?
Plus
Again I value is what?
1.
1. Very good. That means 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is
13.
13. Very good. So I think all of you have understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Next question I'll ask to Mashood. Masum Akhtar. Next question I'll ask to you. Masum Akhtar, your name is Redmi or what? Write your own name. Okay. So now all of you mute yourself. All of you mute yourself. Okay, very good. All of you mute yourself first. Shanawaz, mute yourself. Okay, now next. Don't unmute yourself. If I'll ask, then only unmute yourself. Okay. So next we'll move to our next slide. Let's see what is there in our next slide. So in next slide you can see rule number 3. Okay. First, how many rules we have got, Rehan?
Sir, first we got 2 rules.
Yes, tell me once.
2 rules, sir.
First rule is what?
First rule is that
Yes, what?
first rule is that one means I, and if the repetition of I and X means addition.
Yes, very good. And here we have got one more point, that V will never repeat. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
V is never repeated. Okay. So do one thing, that rule 1 you write in your copy.
Yes, sir.
You write in your copy that rule 1. Or those who know to take the screenshot, you can take the screenshot also. After that you can write. Okay.
Let's begin.
Okay, very good. You are expert of this.
Didi. How Didi?
Unmute yourself. Mute yourself. Shuffle, mute yourself. Background sound is coming. Shuffle, mute yourself. Okay. So rule 1 we have done. In rule 2 what?
If
That-
a small number is written to the right
Yes.
edge
of a large one
Yes.
is added to the large.
Yes. That means if any smaller number will write the right side of any larger number, always will add both the number. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Next, we'll move to our third slide. Okay, all of you take the screenshot. I think all of you know how to take the screenshot. Mashood,
Sir,
take the yes, very good. Monira Begum.
Sir, I taken.
Okay, very good.
Right again.
Very good. Okay, mute yourself. All of you mute yourself. Next, we'll move to our next slide, and here we'll get rule number 3. What is this? In rule number 3, you can see if I is written to the left of V or X. Again, I am repeating. If earlier we got, if any smaller number will write right side of the larger number, then we'll add. And here what you can see on your screen, if I is written to the left of V or X. If I is written, I means 1, is written to the left of V, V means 5, or X, X means 10. It is subtracted. Now opposite, it is subtracted. Earlier we got addition, now it subtract, correct? So one example you can see here. First example you can see IV. So in rule number 3, what we got? If I will write left side of V, then we'll subtract. So V value is 5. Let me show you by marking. So here you can see V value is 5. Yes or not? And our rule 3 said that it is subtracted. So and I value is what? I value is 1. So we'll subtract or not? So that is 5 minus 1 is how much? 5 minus 1 is how much? No one, no. Yes, very good, Rehan. Yes. You can now unmute yourself. Understood? If you want to tell me the answer, you can unmute yourself. No need to. Yes, very good. So in next example, you see again I means 1. And again X, we know that X value is 10. So again in subtract, that is 10 minus 1 is
9.
9. Very good. And here down you can see 2 notes is there. That is 5 is never written to the left of X. Remember that one.
Yes, sir.
5 is never written to the left of X. That means we will not write like this at any time. Left side of that X. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This way we will not write anytime. That B is never written to the left of X. Next
Sir,
point is
before-
what? Yes, sir. Rehan, say.
Sir, this has no meaning.
Yes. Next point you can see I is written only once to the left of V and X. So in that example you can see, let me show you. Mute yourself. Mute yourself again. I'll not tell or else I'll remove you. Here you can see on your screen. I is written only once to the left of V and X. In that example you can see. Only once we have written I or not. Left side
Yes,
of
sir.
that V. In that one again you see only once I we have written left side of that X. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Now we'll solve some example. Correct? We'll solve or I'll leave. What to do? Say.
Sir, solve.
Yes. Then we'll solve. Okay, let's see. Mute yourself. Again and again I am telling. Okay. So here I'll write some example. You give me the answer like earlier. So you can see down of your screen. Shaful,
Yes, sir.
mute yourself. Junaid, mute yourself. Masud Hassan, mute yourself. Shanawaz Hussain, mute yourself. When I'll ask any question, that time you unmute yourself. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, very good. So here you can see. Here, let me give you some example. Then you'll tell me the answer. Okay. So suppose I okay, suppose who is talking? Mute yourself. Fast, mute yourself. Okay. Now let's see the example. Okay. So suppose that one I have written. That one you tell me. Tell me what will do.
Sir, 6.
How? Tell me.
Sir, V is 5 and I means 1.
V is 5, I means 1. And 6, 1.
Okay, very good. Now, Jadul Islam. You tell me on which rule? First rule, second rule, or third rule?
This is first rule.
Oh, no. Which rule? Second rule. Very good. That one is our second rule. That means any smaller number, if we'll write right side of larger number, then always every time we will add both the number. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Well, let's solve one more example. Wait. Let's solve one more example. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
we have only 2 minutes in our hand. So within 2 minutes we'll solve. And next class I'll show you some more examples with the help of that Roman numerals. How we'll write, how we can identify 1000, then 10,000. So many numbers are there or not?
Yes,
How
sir.
we can identify these all, that all I'll show you in our next class. Because
Yes, sir.
okay,
Yes, sir.
so let's see one more example. You tell me one example. Anyone? Rehan Ahmed, Shanawaz
Sir.
Hussain.
IX.
IX.
Yes, sir.
Okay. IX.
Yes, sir.
That means now Joydul Islam, you tell me the answer. Joydul Islam.
I.
Yes, I means
I means 1.
1. Very good. And X means
I means X means 10.
10. So in that one, which rule will apply?
Rule number 3.
3.
Rule
Very
number
good.
3.
Yes, very good. So what will do?
Sir, we write 9.
Yes, how? That is X value is 10 minus, because in rule number 3 says that whenever we'll write I left side of X, that time we will subtract. So 10 minus I value is
9.
1.
Yes,
And
sir.
what is the result?
9.
9.
9. So equal to 9. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
So next example, who can say? Anyone? Anyone tell me one more example? Yes. Anyone? Tell me fast. Anyone? One example, tell me. Yes, Jodul. Tell me.
XII.
XII. Okay. Wait. Let me write XII. And this answer will give by Masum Akhtar. XII. Tell me. Masum Akhtar, tell me that.
X1 is 10
Yes, X value is 10. Okay, then
plus
plus
1.
1. I value is 1. Yes, very good.
Yes.
Next,
Plus 1.
plus 1. Next,
1
next
is
what
equal to 13.
is equal to how much?
13. 12.
13
12.
or 12?
12.
12. Very good. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
today what things we have read? We have read 3 rules. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
So we can repeat
Yes,
these
sir.
3 rules, or I'll repeat. You can repeat.
Sir, I can repeat.
Yes, very good. Once you repeat, please. In first rule, what we have seen?
Repetition of I and X means addition.
Yes. Can you make me understand? That means if I will repeat or if X will repeat, that means both cases will add. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In next,
Sir.
yes. In next slide, we have seen that
If a smaller number is written to the right of a larger one is added to the larger.
yes. So here we have seen the example also. Correct? Yes or
Yes,
not?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
V is our larger number and I is our smaller number.
Yes, sir.
So if we'll write like this, then we'll add. And
Yes,
in
sir.
third rule, what we have seen?
If I is written to the left of V or X, it is subtract.
Yes. So anytime if I will write left side of V or X, so every time what we'll do, we'll subtract from larger number or smaller number.
Larger number, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
So every time we'll do subtract from larger number.
Larger number.
Yes, from larger number. So last one example we'll do. Then we'll end our session. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So suppose that one. Now tell me the answer. And first you tell me which rule. First you tell me which rule.
Sir, rule
Rule,
number
sir.
2. Number 3.
Rule number 2.
Sir,
Rule number 2.
Sir,
No,
rule
no.
number 2.
No.
3.
Again you remind.
Rule number 1.
1. In 1 we have got that if that I and X will repeat, then we'll add or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 3 times, I 3 times means, Belu, you tell me. Okay, wait, Hassan Ahmed, you tell me the Belu. Hassan Ahmed. Yes, you tell me the Belu. His voice is not coming clearly. Okay, Rehan, you tell me. Rehan,
So there was net problem.
yeah. Rehan, you tell me.
Sir, 3.
So we know that I value is 1, and
Yes, sir.
according to our first rule, we'll add. That means plus. Again, I value is 1. Again,
Yes,
we'll
sir.
add. Again,
One.
I value is 1 equal to 3. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good.
Yes, sir.
So up to that much for today's session, and in next session, your task is that you find out some example, and like this we'll solve here. Okay.
Yes,
You
sir.
can send me with the
Yes,
help of chat option, or I'll tell you how you will send to me in our next class. Okay, got it? Got it? All of you got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is all of you, when you will join in your class, all
Okay,
of
sir.
you put the formal dress. All of you put the shirt. Don't sit with that vest. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Because this one is going live or not?
Yes, sir.
Everyone will see. Correct?
Yes,
Everyone
sir.
will see or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So everyone, what will do?
Sir, homework is we will find more examples.
Yes.
So there was no problem, sir.
Yes. Next.
Sir,
Tell me.
Finish for what, sir?
First, you tell me homework is what? First, you tell me homework is what?
We have to find more examples.
More example. And next what I said before joining the class, what you will do?
Sir, sir, which one will
Hostel dress.
we'll write this?
Not hostel dress. Not hostel dress. You will put
Sir, school
one
shirt.
shirt.
Yes, sir.
Sir, school
Okay.
shirt.
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever. Just you'll put one dress. One
Yes, sir.
put it. Okay, thank you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon for latest update.